These gungo peas, I think they're ready for the ground, but honestly, I could be about to kill them right here. Welcome again, my garden friends. If you're new here, I'm Natalie from SacredSeedsJA, and I'm creating a backyard food forest. Do join me on this journey. This is my first time really doing this properly in this backyard food forest. So we're going to find out together. Before I plant anything, I'm just looking for signs, not rules, just clues. The roots are holding the soil together. I think that means they're strong enough. And we've got real leaves now, not just the first baby ones, but I've never done this perfectly before, so I could still be wrong. Let's see what happens. I dug these holes a few days ago so the soil could settle. I heard that will help the roots adjust easier, but I'm not 100% sure. This is all part of the experiment for me. If it works, good. If not, I'll know better next time. This is old chicken manure. I'm using it because I've heard that fresh manure can burn young roots. And I definitely don't want to test that the hard way. So I'm mixing it into the soil lightly, not dumping it right on the roots. Again, I'm just learning as I go. Now I'm thinking about what might go wrong here. Maybe I planted them a bit too early. Maybe today's sun is too strong for them. And spacing, I went with about 4 feet apart, but I don't actually know if that's perfect yet. This is all part of the learning. This is what I like about building this backyard food forest. I'm not following a perfect guide. I'm just trying things, watching what happens, and adjusting. Some things will work, some things won't. But every step teaches me something new. In about 2 weeks, we'll see if these survive, or if I completely got it wrong. If you've grown Gungo peas before, tell me what I should have done differently. I'm still learning this whole thing. Now the part where things really matter, I'm trying to hold it by the leaves, not the stem, because I was told the stem is the most fragile part. So if I mess that up, it's over. Let me place it in the hole gently. Same level as the soil. Not too deep, not too high. I think that's right. We'll find out later. Now I'm covering it back up. I'm not pressing the soil too hard, just enough so that the plant is steady. I've heard that roots need both contact and air, so I'm trying to find that balance. But honestly, I'm guessing a bit here. And now the first watering. This is usually where things decide to live or not. I'm pouring slowly so that the water actually reaches the root, not just sitting on top. First watering always feels like the most important moment. Standing here looking at them, it kind of made me think about something. People always say bloom where you're planted, and I get that, but sometimes staying in the same place is the very thing that stops growth. These plants, they were doing okay before, but if I left them there too long, they'd struggle. Some things don't grow because they're weak. They just outgrow where they started. And I think people are like that too. Sometimes we outgrow spaces, and situations and even versions of ourselves. And moving doesn't always feel comfortable, but it might be the only way to really grow.